to do nothing. It's a great day. Hi, Aunt Diane. We'll be cooking in just a minute. I'm so happy to see you on here. I love you. Hi, Dana. I love you. We have exactly 1 minute before we start. And I'm gonna say now that the music that we're listening to is not ours. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Coshes Live. Today, up on our block, we're gonna have the cabbage, potato, smoked sausage, and we're gonna serve that with our grilled Parmesan cheese bread. And you guys always know, I already have it set up. So let's jump right in. Let's pull this down. Dad's gonna zoom in there and I'll let you know what's going on over here. So over here we're gonna have our cabbage, and we already have this cut up, okay? Let's get this paper out the way. So we have our cabbage, our onion, our smoked sausage. And you see how we cut the smoked sausage up? Because we want it to look pretty, always pretty. We have our broth, we have our pink Himalayan salt, we have our Slap Your Mama. Now you guys always ask, what is Slap Your Mama seasoning? Well, we're gonna show you today, so we're gonna come right in here. And up here at the top, you see it says Slap Your Mama seasoning. See that? It's a Cajun seasoning, okay? And over here, we have our pink Himalayan salt. Okay, so we're gonna use those today. All right? Now we'll come right back down here. And we'll get cooking. First, we have to get our potatoes out. So, I keep our potatoes in the refrigerator because I didn't want them to get brown, so we're gonna strain those in a minute. They're just in water. So you can pre-do everything, have everything pre-cut up. That'll save you a whole lot of time. And then, you know, you only have 30 minutes. Get it together and serve it up. So we're gonna turn on a pot, get our pot going. This big one right here. Let it warm up a little. We're gonna put it on medium-high because we are gonna put in our sausage and our onion and get that going, okay? And I'm gonna come over here and I'm gonna pull out a strainer. pull out this little one just so we can strain our potatoes. So we'll have them sitting up here ready. Okay? And this is actually 4 potatoes. And we've cubed those up. So I want you to look at those and see how we cubed these up, okay? See how they're peeled and nicely cubed up? That's what we're looking for. Now, to start, we're gonna take our sausage and we're just gonna drop that in the pan. There it goes. You hear it sizzle? And we're gonna take our onions, put it right on top. There we go. Okay? Let me grab a little spatula. Because we want to get everything out. There, now we see how this looks? We're not going to add any oil or anything in that pan because the sausage is going to give us all we need. Okay? So we're going to let that cook. And I'm going to reduce the heat. And we're going to talk about some things. I want to show you what that's going to look like because we're going to keep it moving. Okay? So once you get your sausage, bring it under the light here, and your onions grilled up, you want it to look just like that, okay? Then, afterwards, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to start putting everything in there. So you want to take your butter, and you're going to melt that. I usually just put it in the microwave and we'll melt it slow. Say for about 10 seconds, okay? Let's get that going. And you pretty much start dropping in your seasoning and everything after that. See how we're doing here? See that? Nice and slow. Don't want it to go poof on you, okay? So now, after we do that, say that's browned already. Then you're going to add your cabbage. And just drop it right in on top of that, just like that. See that? You know I'm a dumper, y'all. I like to just dump. Then after we do that, we're going to add all of our seasoning. So we're going to add our Himalayan salt, our slap your mama, our sugar, our pepper, our beautiful garlic that we slice. I'm just going to get that in. Make sure you get it all in there. And then, after we got all of our ingredients in, we're going to take our chicken broth, which is 2 cups. Now, if you don't want to use the chicken broth and you don't like meat, you can use the turkey sausage, and you can also use the vegetable broth. And what I like to do afterwards, and I just pour it all over it. And what that does is it'll take all those good seasonings and drop it down to the bottom like that, see? Pour it all in there. And then our potatoes, which are last, we're going to take those and we're going to put those on the top, okay? You know, because we don't need them to get all mushy. And the dish cooks pretty quickly. Then after that, you want to take your butter and you're just going to nicely run that over the top. Y'all can tell that's going to be good, can't you? So So then we're just gonna slide it over, just like that. We're gonna put a lid on it. And then we're gonna let that do what it do, right? All right. So now I already have some already done. Of course I do. So we're gonna move one pot back and bring the other pot forward. And this is what this looks like. Well, come on in here, Papa. See that? Look at that. Has all that nice juice. Look at that juice down there. And we're gonna plate this up in a minute, but before we plate this up, we're gonna show you how to make this wonderful bread. Okay? So let's get our skillet hot. There we go. And it's good to use a flat skillet if you have one, and if you don't have one, it's okay. This is my crepe skillet. So to make this delicious bread, you need what's called Texas toast. And Texas toast is very thick. You see that, how thick it is? See that? It's nice and thick. And they also use this for when they make French toast, okay? So let's do this. This is a real easy peasy, but it is so delicious. Get rid of some of that, okay? So now what you do to make this nice toast is you're gonna take that butter, mayonnaise, and salt. And you want your butter to be nice and soft. Put it in there with your Parmesan cheese. Put your mayonnaise in there, and then you sprinkle your salt in there. And then you just get a fork. You don't have to use anything. You just get a little fork. I'm gonna grab one. And then you're just going to just mix this up. Have fun with it. Make sure it's all incorporated, okay? So then after you get this all incorporated, which I already have one for you, it's gonna look just like this. See that? Oh my goodness. That is so delicious. We're gonna get our little knife here. We're gonna turn this down because we got that nice and hot. We don't want to burn the toast. We just want to get it nice and golden. So then, get your toast out. There we go. And get you a good dollop. You know, don't be afraid to put it on there because you really want to taste this, okay? You're going to get it and you're going to spread it on there like that. Get every little area. Don't leave nothing, okay? Spread it on there nice. See that? See how we covered that bread? And just throw it down on the grill like that. Let it smoke. All right? It's going to do what it's do. We're going to let it sit there for a minute and brown up. And while this is browning up, we're going to take some of that delicious cabbage, sausage, and potato, and we're going to put that over in a pot over here so it can look nice. So I'm going to go get some of that out of here while that's doing that. And put it over here so it looks pretty, because you guys know how I like things to look pretty. Okay. There we go. Get it in here. See all those potatoes? See those potatoes, how they cooked up so nicely and they're so tender? See that potato? And then our sausage has that little char on it. You just want it to look good, taste good. love cooking, especially on Wednesday nights. It's fun for me because I get to cook with you and get my dinner done early. So y'all, when you come over here, you don't want to lift your bread, because if you lift your bread, you're going to lose your cheese. So you just want to go up and underneath it. And then hit it, bam, real quick like that. Flip it. Look at that. Look at that, y'all. See that? Ooh, what you talking about? That's good. See that? Ooh, look at all that yumminess. We're going to put this over here. Okay? Because I'm going to grab a knife, because you know I like to decorate. I'm going to cut mine like that. Then I'm going to cut it again like that. There we go. Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to get my spoon. Because you know I'm going to plate up my bowl. And I'm going to get that goodness in here like this. Get me a nice little... Y'all might want more than this, and you can. You can. But this is just for you, okay? All right, and we make sure we gotta show off our sausage. Get our sausage in here. Give me a sausage. There we go. Get that sausage in there. See that? And make sure you grab a potato. Don't want to leave nobody out, you know? Everybody needs to be in the pool. Then we set that down in our bowl. We don't like soggy bread. So let's take our bread and line it up behind. That's why we have two bowls here. So we can line that up pretty over here like that. And then we can line this up pretty over here like that. See that? Doesn't that look pretty? Then we have some parsley. And we can take a little parsley and sprinkle some around the plate and some on it. Make it look pretty. Okay? Then let me get me a little leaf. Let me get a leaf out. Then you can get a leaf out and you can put it right there. See how pretty that looks? Doesn't it look nice? And this is our dinner for tonight. We have our cabbage, our potato, our sausage, our Parmesan. Let me have some of this. I have some. I love bread. And our cabbage dinner tonight is absolutely delicious. I want you guys to try it. I want you to tell me what you think. 30 minutes, not long. And then next Wednesday, we're doing asparagus and shrimp. You don't want to miss it. It was nice seeing you guys again. See you next Wednesday. Thank you for tuning in. And remember, that music is on the TV. It's not ours. Bye, everyone. Hi, Nina. Hi, Sister Shoni. Hi, Roxanne. Hi, Dana. I love you guys. See you next show. Bye-bye.